How to find out if someone blocked you on Instagram story. So to check this problem, all you have to do now, follow this step that I will show you now. So in this video I have two methods for you. So the first method is, all you have to do now, let's say as you can see now at the top, always I'm seeing this person Instagram story. As you can see now, always I seeing this person, I'm seeing his story. Then suddenly I stop seeing his Instagram story on my account. All I have to do now, I'll tap on my profile at the bottom right side. After I tap on my profile, now tap on this username at the top right side. So now all you have to do now, go and create another Instagram account by typing on this add Instagram account. After you create another Instagram account, just use the account that you create and open it like this. After you open the account, all you have to do now, tap on this search bar and search for the person name that you think he blocked you on Instagram. So let's say I'm just guessing that this person has blocked me on his Instagram, this woman. So after you open the person profile like this, so tap on their profile. So if you see that the person has story that he uploaded on his Instagram, means that that person has blocked your first account or your primary account from seeing their Instagram story. Or if you can't create another Instagram account, you can use like your friend's phone. Just after you collect your friend's phone and just go and open Instagram on that phone. After you open Instagram, just search for the person name. If you see that that person has uploaded Instagram story and is viewing, means that the person has blocked your account from seeing his Instagram account. For now, there is no any official button to see if someone blocked you on Instagram account. You can follow these two methods to check if someone blocked you on Instagram story. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.